Object-oriented programming is an approach that provides a way of modularizing programs by creating partition memory area for both data and functions that can be used as templates for creating copies of such modules on demand. To carry out our research on garbage collection mechanism of object-oriented programming, we selected 4 languages. They are Ruby, Smalltalk, C# and Java. Smalltalk is a dynamic pure object-oriented language appeared in 1970. Ruby originated in Japan during the mid-1990s by Yukin Matsumoto. It is based on Perl, Smalltalk, Eiffel, Ada and Lisp. As you know, Java was developed James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, released in 1995. C# was designed by Microsoft, appeared in 2001. In computer science, garbage collection is form of automatic memory management. It is a special case of resource management in which the limited resource being managed in memory. The garbage collector attempts to reclaim garbage or memory occupied by objects that are no longer is used by the program. Garbage collection was invented by John McCarthy around 1959 to solve problems in Lisp. There are 2 basic principles of garbage collector. The first one is find data object in a program that cannot be accessed in the future. The second one is reclaim the resources used by those objects. As an example, you can see there are 2 objects in the memory referenced by A and B. So these objects cannot be collected by garbage collector. After certain point of time, B is equal to null. So this object has no reference from the stack. Therefore, this object is a garbage. That means object is eligible for garbage collector. By making manual memory deallocation unnecessary, garbage collection frees the programmer from having to worry about releasing objects that are no longer needed, which can otherwise consume a significant amount of design effort. It also aids programmers in their efforts to make programs more stable, while it prevents several classes of runtime errors. For example, it prevents dangling pointer errors, where a reference to a deallocated object is used. Dangling pointer arrives when an object is deleted or deallocated without modifying the value of the pointer. The pointer still points to the location in memory where the object or data was deleted, and the memory may now be used for other purpose, creating a dangling pointer.